So good morning everyone. In last class we have discussed about the addition and subtraction of algebraic expressions. So how to do addition and subtraction in algebraic expressions we will see. So in this we are having two methods. One is vertical method and other is horizontal method. So here addition and subtraction of algebraic expressions. Okay, so how to do addition and subtraction for this algebraic expressions we will see. So in this we are having one vertical method and next one is horizontal method. Okay, so how many methods are there? Two methods are there. One is vertical method and other is horizontal method. So, and yesterday I told you one note point, that is only like terms can be added or subtracted. So what is that? Only like terms can be added or subtracted. So in last class I have told you what are like terms and also what are unlike terms. So we will take one example for this addition. So how to do the addition of algebraic expressions we will see. So I am taking here, question is add 5x square plus 3xy plus 2y square and 2y square minus xy plus 4x square. So we have to add these two algebraic expressions. Okay, so what we have to do? We have to add these two algebraic expressions. So how to add we will see. So first I am using vertical method. So which method I am using? Vertical method. So first I am using vertical method here. So in this first I am using vertical method. So vertical means in this way, straight line. So first you write the first expression 5x square plus 3xy plus 2y square. So how to write second algebraic expressions? Where you are seeing the like terms, there only you have to write the other number. So here x square term is there. In this order, where is x square term? This one, that is plus 4x square. So down of x square you have to write the other like term also, that is plus 4x square. Okay, next xy term. In this case, in this expression, where you are seeing xy term here, that is minus xy. So down of xy only other xy should be written, that is minus xy. Okay, next is y square. So here y square is there, here also y square term is there. So down of this 2y square you have to write this, that is plus 2y square. So what I am doing here? Addition I am doing. So how to add now? Write all the variables as it is, that is y square, here xy and here x square. Okay, so now you can add the numbers. So plus 2 will be 2 plus 2 will be 4, that is plus 4y square. Okay, next is plus 3 minus 1. If you are not having any number beside of alphabets, that means it is having 1, that is plus 3 minus 1. Plus 3 minus 1 will be how much? Plus into minus will be minus. 3 minus 1 is 2. Bigger number sign is plus. So you got it as plus 2xy. Okay. Next is plus 5 plus 4. Plus 5 plus 4 will be plus 9. Plus 5 plus 4. Plus into plus is plus. 5 plus 4 is 9. Bigger number sign is plus. So you got it as plus 9. So this is a vertical method for addition. Okay, now we are doing horizontal method. What we are doing horizontal method. So what is the second method? That is horizontal method. How horizontal method means you have to write in straight order like this. So write the terms 5x square plus 3xy plus 2y square. What we are doing? We are doing addition. That means you have to keep the plus symbol here. What is the next algebraic expression? That is 2y square minus xy plus 4x square. Okay. Now before this bracket, if you are seeing the plus sign, after removing the brackets, no need of changing the signs. Okay, before bracket, if you are seeing the plus sign, after removing the bracket, no need of changing the signs. Okay, that one you have to remember, or you can multiply all the signs with this plus. Okay, so now I am removing all the brackets. 5x square plus 3xy plus 2y square. So what I told, before bracket if you are seeing the plus sign, no need of changing the signs, you can write this expression as it is. So plus 2y square minus xy plus 4x square. This is our two expressions what we have added. Okay, now where are x square terms? This is x square, this is x square. I am bringing two x square terms aside, that is 5x square plus 4x square. Okay, next I am taking this xy terms, xy, xy, this xy, like terms I am bringing together, that is plus 3xy minus xy. Okay, plus 3xy minus xy. Now next is I am bringing y square terms. This is y square and this is also y square. So plus 2y square plus 2y square. Okay, I hope you are understanding. So here first write the alphabets as it is. X square itself, xy is xy itself, y square is y square itself. Now 5 plus 4 will be 9. Okay, so 3 minus 1 will be 2. 3 minus 1 will be 2. Here plus is there, I kept plus here. Plus 2 plus 2 will be 4. So what you got the answer? 9x square plus 2xy plus 4y square. So this is horizontal method and this is vertical method. So these are the two methods for addition. In the same way we can do subtraction also. So in vertical method what you are doing, down of the like term you have to write the other like term also. X square are like terms, xy are like terms, y square are like terms. Okay, in this way you have to write. Here you have to remember one thing, that before bracket if you are seeing the plus sign, no need of changing the signs. Okay, why I am telling no need of changing the signs? Because if you multiply each and every sign with plus, again you will get the same signs here. So you can see here plus, before 2 you are having nothing sign, no sign, that means it is having plus here. So plus into plus will be plus, plus into minus will be minus, plus into plus will be plus. So no signs are changing after multiplying with plus sign, after multiplying with plus sign. That's why I am telling that before bracket if you are seeing the plus sign, no need of changing the signs here. Here also before bracket you are seeing the plus sign, no need of changing the signs. I wrote as it is. Here also before bracket you are having plus sign, so no need of changing the signs. I wrote as it is. Okay, so this is how you will do addition and addition in two methods, vertical and horizontal method. So next is how to do subtraction, we will see now. So same values I am taking again, same expression, instead of addition I am writing it as subtract. Subtract 5x square plus 3xy plus 2y square from 2y square minus xy plus 4x square. So these two terms also we have to subtract. So how to do the subtraction we will see now. So from this term you have to subtract this term. Okay, what is the question? Subtract 5x square plus 3xy plus 2y square from this. So you have, from this value you have to subtract this value. Suppose you take like this, only numerical values you take. So I am taking it as 7 from 9. 7 from 9 means from 9 you have to subtract the 7. That means how you will write? 9 minus 7 you will write. That will be, answer will be 2. In the same way, from this algebraic expression you have to subtract, from this algebraic expression you have to subtract this algebraic expression. So from this you have to subtract the first algebraic expression. So how you will write? First you will write this algebraic expression, down of this you have to write this one. Okay, so now what we have to write first? This one, that is 2y square minus xy plus 4x square. Okay, now what is the first term here? Y square. So where it is, where in this case where y square you are seeing, that is here, that is plus 2y square. Okay, next xy term, this is xy term, so plus 3xy. Next x square term, that is plus 5x square. So what we are doing? We are doing subtraction. Subtraction means while doing subtraction you have to change the signs here. You have to change the signs. Before 2 you are seeing the plus sign, that means that will be equals to minus, because we are doing subtraction. Suppose here plus is there, plus 2y square. What we are doing? We are doing subtraction. Subtraction means minus sign. This whole term we are doing subtraction. That means this minus you have to multiply with these symbols also, no? So minus into plus will be minus. Minus into plus will be minus. Minus into plus will be minus. What we are doing? We are changing the signs. If it is plus, that will be converted into minus, and if it is minus, it will be converted into plus. Only while doing subtraction the signs will be changed. While doing addition, no need of changing the signs. Only while doing the subtraction we will change the signs. Now here plus is it became minus, plus it became minus, plus it became minus. Now we should not consider these signs to subtract the terms. Down signs we have to consider. Okay, so first you write the alphabets as it is. I am writing the alphabets as it is. Now plus 4 minus 5. I am considering this minus, not plus. Okay, so plus 4 minus 5, that will be how much? Minus 1. Plus into minus will be minus. 5 minus 4 will be 1. Bigger number sign is minus, that is minus 1. So you got it as minus 1 x square here. Next here minus 1 minus 3. Minus 1 minus 3. I am not considering this sign. I am considering down sign, that is minus. So minus 1 minus 3. Minus into minus will be plus. 3 plus 1 will be 4. Bigger number sign is what? Minus. So the answer is here minus 4. Okay. Next one. Y square I wrote as it is. Here it will be plus 2 and this will be minus 2. Plus 2 minus 2 will be equals to 0. So that is 0 y square minus 4xy minus 1 x square. So this is the answer in vertical method. So now we are doing in horizontal method. So while doing horizontal method also you will get the same answer. Answer will not change. Only the method is vertical and horizontal. Any way you can do. If they mention to do in only in vertical method, you have to do in vertical method. If they mention to do in horizontal method, you have to do in horizontal method itself. Okay. So next is horizontal method. So what is the question? subtract this algebraic expression from this. So from this you have to subtract this one. So we have to write this expression first, that is 2y square minus xy plus 4x square. What we are doing? We are doing subtraction, that's why I am keeping minus sign. And what is the second algebraic expression? 5x square plus 3xy plus 2y square. Okay, so this is our second algebraic expression. From this we are subtracting this term. Okay, now in addition, what I told you, before bracket, if you are seeing the plus sign, no need of changing signs, I told. Is it right? Now before, in this case, if you are seeing before bracket minus sign, inside the signs will be changed. That means this plus will become minus and plus will become minus. It will become opposite signs. Okay, so before bracket if you are seeing the minus sign, so inside signs will be changed. So remove the brackets. Now here you see, you don't have any sign here. That means it is having plus sign. Before bracket if you are seeing the plus sign, no need of changing signs after removing the bracket. So I am writing as it is 2y square minus xy plus 4x square. Okay, now here before bracket you are seeing the minus sign, so that means the inside the signs will be changed. So minus 5x square, this plus will become minus 3xy, plus will become minus 2y square. Okay, now bring all the like terms together. So what are the like terms? xy term is there. Where is the other x square term is there? So where is other? Sorry, this is y square. Y square term is there. So where is other y square? This term. So you bring these two like terms together. 2y square minus 2y square I am bringing together. Okay, next is plus xy terms, xy, xy. So that will be minus xy minus 3xy. I am bringing the like terms together, plus next is x square terms. Here x square is there, here also x square is there. Bring these two terms together, that is 4x square minus 5x square. Okay, now you write the alphabets as it is. Here y square term plus here xy term plus here x square term. Okay, now you do subtraction of numbers now. Minus plus 2 minus 2, that will be equals to 0. 2 minus 2 will be 0. Okay, now here minus 1 minus 3, minus 1 minus 3 will be equals to minus 4. So it will be minus 4 here. Okay, next is 4 minus 5. 4 minus 5 will be minus 1. So here it will be minus 1. Okay, so now you are seeing double signs together. So make it into single sign. So 0 y square plus into minus is minus 4xy plus into minus is minus x square. So both answers are same. Here also 0 y square minus 4xy minus 1x square. Here also 0 y square minus 4xy minus x square. Okay, so this is how you will do the horizontal and vertical method in the form of subtraction. Subtraction means you will have to change the signs here. The plus will become minus, minus will become plus. Okay, in case of only in subtraction we have to change the signs. Before bracket if you are seeing the minus sign, you have to change the signs inside after removing the brackets. So why I am telling to change the signs? If you multiply minus with all the signs, what is there inside the bracket, everything will be reversed. So here plus 5 is there. Minus into plus will be minus. Here plus is there. Minus into plus will be minus. Minus into plus will be minus. So all the signs are opposite, they are reversed. So if you are seeing before bracket minus sign, after removal of brackets the signs will be changed. If you are seeing before bracket plus sign, after removal of brackets the signs will not change, it will remain same. So this is how you will do the addition and subtraction of algebraic expressions. Two methods are there, one is vertical method, other is horizontal method. So in next class we will continue our exercises now. Thank you.